because this is what I believe. You see, read it here. It says Mars. This says Phobos. This is Deimos. Those are the moons. When I hit none, look at the colors. Okay, hold on a second. I have my camera properly set. Okay. When you look at these colors, all right, I hit Mars. Look what happens to the color between Mars and none. It's the slight color. When I go to Phobos, it turns turquoise. The blue becomes turquoise. Okay, when I go to Deimos, it turns back to blue. You see, look the way the red changes also. When I go, this is Ceres, okay? This is Ceres. Remember what Ceres is in the planetary? Look what happens, okay? Phobos, Deimos, Ceres, Juno, Saturn. You see what happens to Saturn? Now we're going to switch these back, okay? Between Saturn and Phobos. Almost the same colors. You see that's Deimos? And now we're going to move back to Saturn. Here's Saturn. Boom. Saturn and Phobos almost have the same colors. So they're plain. It's a sky game. I don't know how it works, but I definitely, with all the numbers, and I have a little system that I'm going to show you after, probably tomorrow in one of my videos. It's so intricate. It's so intricate. Just like here's 3, here's 1, here's 3. 3 out of 4, 3 out of 4 creates 6 out of 8. 3 and 3 on each side. 3, 1, 3. This is your 7th gate. Tied up inside here. 8 and 8. Okay, right over here. I'm going to just show you something down at the bottom over here. Okay, and you see it does the heart, right? The heart. Remember the picture cards, right? Where they put ass to ass. The face goes up here and the face goes up here. Here, when they crisscross, it'll create an X. Here, it'll crisscross, it'll create an X. It creates 808 inside of this card. When we come down to here, what is the inside of the square? You see the 5 that stands up in the diamond corner, right? The value of the 5 inside here, if that was the block, would be 3476. 3476 is the diameter of the moon. How do I know that? Because of this calculator and what they showed me. In between 1, 5, and 9 was 3 and 7, because that's what it is. That's the in-between. In between 3, 5, and 7 is 4 and 6. It becomes 3, 4, 7, and 6. 3, 4, 7, and 6. Here, on this side, it is 4. Up here, it is 7. 4 and 7 come together. On this side, 4 and 7 is 11. On this side, it's 3 and 6. 3 and 6 is 9. 4 and 7 come together. Each block is 5, 5, 5, and 5. See the 5 here, the 5 here, the 5 here, and the 5 here. In this position, okay, the 5 becomes number 1 for the first arm, number 3 for the second arm, number 7 for the next arm, number 9. Then this side, it becomes 3. This becomes 1, 3, 3 lock in the center. Okay, do you see this? 3, 3 lock in the center. 9 and 9 lock over here. 3 and 3 is 6. 9 and 9 becomes 9. This one stays alone. This one stays alone. This is 1 over here. This is 7 over here. This one over here. If it's flipped upside down, this is now, if this was 1, okay, and this was 7, okay, excuse me, 1 is 7. Now down here, 9 is now gone. We have to reverse it. 9 and 7 will now go on top of each other. This will be 3, 2, 1. Excuse me, it'd be 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 3 and 3 comes together over here. 9 comes together over here. See that? The 9 gets the heart center. So these, each individuals, then the 5 comes together in this box. I'm going to have to show you that box. We're going to show you the box and exactly what we're talking about. Here's your first 5, okay? And here's the box. Okay, you see the angle of the box? Remember, there's 2 angles. There's the angle in between over here, and there's this angle over here. These are the 2 angles. The other angle becomes this way, okay? But the angle stretched, the greater divide is the same. This is open, okay? Now we're going to go here. Now this 5 is this 5 over here. This 5 over here. You see this 5 over here? There's the big 5 in between here, and then there's 5, 5, 5, and 5 is your 20, and then 25, and here's your 1, your 2, your 3, and your 4, and your 1, your 2, your 3, and your 4. That's the way these numbers come up. That's exactly the way the numbers will roll, okay? In the basic design, as you can see, there is 1 spot here, 1 spot here, 1 spot here, 3. Then you have in the center. In the center of each cube is one part of the X. It extends into the center of the next cube. Each cube has 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 6, 9, 12. Then inside the cube, okay, of this 3, in this corner here, it has another 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, it's another 12. That's 24. Okay, 3 here and 3 here. But now we didn't do the 3 across here, the 3 across here, the 3 across here, and the 3 across here. So in between it's 9, 9, 9, and 9. But because each of these touch, they're no longer. So if there were 4 9s, 4 times 9 equals to 36. Okay, equals to 36. Okay, what we're actually missing is now 1. 2 becomes 1. 2 becomes 1. And 2 becomes 1. So we must remove. Now don't forget, there's 9 areas. The open spot over here is now played together. This is area 8, and this is area 8. Both playing together. This area over here, 6 and 6, that comes together, is now position number 3. This together over here, which is 8 and 8, now becomes number 7. This position over here will become 3. And this position over here will become 7. 7, 3, 7, 3, inside the center. Here's 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3. 3 and 3 creates 6. That's 6 up here. Okay, 6, 3, 9, 3, 6. Then when you come to the side, it becomes 7, 1, 2, 3. 7 is down here, okay, and 7 is out here. It becomes 7, 8, 8. And this one will become 7 again. 7, 8, 8, 7, 7, 8, 8, 7, but it's the 9 birth. When all these 4 areas come together over here, each one is 9. It totals 36. It goes back to 9 again. But we play from here and here. We don't play from here. We play from here and here. 7, 3 creates 21 and 10. 31. 7 by 3, 3 by 7, 7 by 3, 3 by 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 84. 84 is the number to Pluto. Then 10 4 times plus 40 equals 124. Now you can add 6 and minus 6. Becomes 130, then goes to 136. Now we have the touchdown. So this is how the totality of this touches. So now let's look what it looks like inside the square. We have total of 4 areas, 9 areas. Inside the square is a total of 36 areas. Inside this total square, 36 areas. All we are using is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We will only use 9 of 36, which equals to 27. 2 times 7, 2 plus 7 equals number 23. Did I do that right? It's a question. Let me take a check. Okay, let me explain to you how it works. What works over here. What we have is the corner connecting here to 2 areas. 4, 4, 4, and 4. There are 16 total blocks in this. These are small blocks, okay? When they join, when these X's join, right, it creates an opening here. Let's call it C and C come together. These will create 2, 4, 6, 8 areas create 1. Okay, 8 areas create 1. Now we have here, 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 and here, and here, 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 and here. We have 4 on the inside. We have 4 on the outside, and we have 8. 8, 4, and 4. The total is 16, except the difference is, okay, that if you were looking at Rubik's Cube right now, okay, every corner has a value of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. Every inside has a value of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. That is your total of 20 block. Now what's inside the block, here's the stop sign. I connect together here, then I run down, I connect together here, and this is your design of the matrix. It's becoming 7, 3, 7, 3, 7, 3. We have 4 areas that are 2 for 1. 420. That's where the joint is of 420 is. 2 for 1 areas. 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. We connect over here between 3 and 9. We connect over here between 7 and 9. We connect, we run down over here. We connect over here in between 3 and 9. 3, becomes 6, 3, 9, 3, 6. That's what it becomes over here. 6, 3, 9, 3, 6. 6 and 3 is 9, and 9 is 18, and 3 is 21, and 6 is 27. That'd be 27 through this way. And this way would create 7, and then 9 is 16, and then 7 is 23. Now we connect here, 8 and 8. Connecting equals 16 equals 7. 8 and 8, 16 equals 7. So you have 7, 7, 9, 7, 7. 7 and 7 is 14. 7 and 7 is 14. 23 left, 23 right. 7 and 7 is 14. 28 is the cycle, plus 9. Okay? 7, 7. 7, 7, 7, 7, 14, 14, 28, and 9. 14 and 14 and, excuse me, there it is, and 9 equals to a total of 37, and that's 37. This equals to the cube, 21, and 10 equals 31, right? 31. 3 for 1, for 3, for 1, for 3, for 1. Okay, what this 3 is here, I'm going to show it to you. Okay, this 3 over here, 1 here, there's a total of 9 in this area. 1 here, and 1 here. Okay, that is not touching this X. Here, here, and here. I'm not touching this box here. I'm not counting this right now. I'm only counting the box. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That doesn't touch the box. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that touches the box. 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4. But when this 5 touches, okay, and this 5 touches, 2, 3 of these are not counted because they're together. Here, here, and here. 7, 8, and 9. So in the 5 here and 5 here that are 10, 3 are connected. The 10 minus 3 equals to 7. That's where we get the 4, 7 combination. 1, 4, 7 combination. That's how we get it right over here. This is the design, Raphael 7286, telling you and showing you the way the numbers count for themselves. The art is right here, my friends. Thank you for watching. It's all about the question and the equation that you create, what you are looking for, and so on we shall get into the future. Thank you for watching.